Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install Angular JS on a Windows 10 machine. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed yet and you like what you see, do consider hitting the subscribe button. This encourages YouTube's algorithm in promoting more of our videos to more people out there. Let's get started now. At first, we are going to install Node.js. You can visit the official website nodejs.org/en/ and then install the current version. I've already installed it on my machine. Now to ensure if it has installed properly, you can navigate back to your terminal and then type node-v. This will display you the version of the node installed on your local machine. Also ensure that npm is installed correctly. To check that, we need to type npm-v. Cool. I've got both node as well as npm installed on this machine. Actually, npm client package gets installed automatically as you install node on your machine. Just to ensure that they have properly been installed, we need to check using this npm-v command. Now let's start with installing Angular client. To install that, we have to type npm install -g at Angular/CLI. This command will get Angular client installed on your machine. Since I've already installed it, I'm just going to check it. To check if Angular has installed properly, you can check using the command ng-version. If you can see the same thing on your screen, then it means Angular client has been installed successfully on your machine. To get started with your project, you can create ng-new and your project name. Now I have successfully created a new Angular project. Now let's see how to run our Angular project. For this, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. In my Visual Studio Code, I'm going to open new terminal and then run the command ng-serve . Once the application gets compiled successfully, the application will be available on localhost 4200. This is the default page you get to see on installing a new Angular project. Please like and share this video if it helped you. It could help someone else too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.